welcome to NUNOO Car Technology Modification channel. And today we will bring you a detailed Android car radio installation tutorial, and so that you can instead upgrade your car to a smart cockpit.
Before starting the installation, we need to prepare the following tools: plastic pry bar and the Phillips screwdriver. Special reminder, be sure to use plastic tools to remove the interior pan to avoid scratching your car. Today we are installing NUNOO's latest Q9 Angel Spark car machine. Without further ado, let's get started. And first, we need to disassemble the original car host. The disassemble method for each car is slightly different. It is recommended to check the special tutorial for your car model in advance. The car model we are installing here is Nissan Tina. And use a plastic pry bar to gently pry it open from the edge. Be careful to use clip strings instead of brute force to avoid damaging the buckle. After removing the decorative panel, we can see the 4 screws that fit the original car host. Carefully remove these screws and remember their position for reinstallation. The interface design of modern Android consoles is very user-friendly, and basically, all of them are foolproof designs, so you won't get it wrong. First connect the power cable, then the audio cable, and finally the signal cable. Remember to connect all the interface first, whether you are using them or not, to ensure full functionality. Before the complete installation, we poured on the car to test whether all functions were normal. We checked the touchscreen response, sound effects, navigation positions, and network connection. If there were any problems, it will be much easier to troubleshoot now. After confirming that all functions are normal, you can reinstall and fix them. Reinstall all panels in the reverse order of designable. Make sure each clip is in place. Congratulations! Your car now have a smart Android car radio. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. We will bring you a tutorial on how to install reversing camera in the next issue. If you have any question, please leave a comment in the comment section.